You've already heard Temu is here in Ghana. You've seen the Ghana prices, you've seen the free shipping, the ads everywhere. But then if you are just buying from this application and website, you are losing money, which I know is not the reason why you are here. So I'm going to cut all the long talk and show you 3-step plan for Temu affiliate program, which will change your social media scrolling into a solid cash system. Hit the subscribe button and let's get straight to the point. That's too. Let's be clear, this is not a scam. The Temu market is here and their goal is to pay you to bring them customers. It is called the affiliate program. Forget whatever they are selling. The main thing that you should focus on is what they are willing to pay you to do. So they give you 2 referral links. Whenever someone uses these links, you get paid. There are 2 major ways to earn on Temu. The first is the affiliate commissions. That is, if someone is to use your link to make a purchase, you gain 20% commission on whatever the person buys. Do the math, 20%. The second is referral bonus. That is, whenever someone downloads the application or again makes a purchase using your link, you gain bonuses from these things. Honestly, that is where most of the money is. This is not even part of the 20% commission you are getting. Let's head straight into signing up. All you need is your mobile phone. There are 2 ways you can join the Temu affiliate program. One is by heading to affiliate.temu.com, hit the join now, then you sign up from there. Second is if you have the Temu app, the application, open the application, hit the end tab, then you register from there. When you are approved, you get your unique link, then you are good to go from there. Now let's talk about the main reason why you are here. The money, the great question. How do I get paid here in Ghana? The local agent. Now this is the real Ghana hustle. So I talked to a friend and she ignores all of these affiliate links. This is what she does. She goes to the website or the application, the Temu app, scrolls through, then takes images of these cheap gadgets that you have there. Sends the images to her WhatsApp and posts them on her status, telling people she can order the products for them. So when the people bring in their orders, she adds a charge of 20% to the total fee, then places the order for the people, receives these orders and gives it back. So at the end, she gains a commission of 20 Ghana cedis on each of them. Actually, very simple and less risky. Just take pictures, put them on your WhatsApp status, tell people you sell these things. They bring in their orders, bring in the money, you order it, put your charge on it, and you can still gain money from these things. It's very simple. Honestly, this video would have been possible without her advice. So if you need more insights on how the Temu Ghana affiliate thing works or how you can set up your own local agent thing, you can contact her. Her contact is in the description below. So just go down there and get whatever you need to get from her. So reality check, Temu is here. The affiliate program is here. The downside, even though shipping is free in Ghana, delivery can sometimes be slow. Upside, it's commission and referral bonuses. Plus, it's a 0 capital side hustle you can manage from just your mobile phone. Once again, just your mobile phone. To help this channel, subscribe, comment, like, share, do everything to promote the channel for me.